Hey guys, today we are making this three-way mirror. Just got done using it to give myself a little trim. Not as good as my barber, but due to the circumstances, we haven't been going out very much. I made this today in about 45 minutes, spent about 20 bucks, bought the mirror, the hinges, had the wood, and just used some wood glue and some finish nails to put it together. Hope this helps. This will make something good for makeup or for, giving yourself a little quick trim in the meanwhile till you can make it to the barber. So if you like the video, hit that like button, that subscribe, and don't forget to check us out next week. Thanks. Alright guys, first I started by ripping down a 1x4 down the middle using the table saw into two pieces. Next we took those pieces and we created a channel on one side of it using the table saw. We lowered it down to about 1/4 of an inch and ran the pieces through the table saw, and we ran them twice right next to each other to create a space large enough for the mirror to fit. So we did the width of the blade 2 times on each piece. Alright, so we have a little strip here on the inside. We're just going to have to take a blade and cut it out. Look at that. Next, we took that same piece with the channel cut into it, and we cut 6 12-inch pieces. These will be the top and the bottom rails of your frames for each mirror. Then we took 2 of these pieces and dry fit them, one on the top and one on the bottom of the mirror. And we measured from outside of the wood to outside of the wood. In our case, it ended up being 14 3/8. Then we cut 6 14 3/8 pieces, and these are going to be the sides of your frames. I know on the video, when I measured on the video, it looked like I measured different because I did. Originally, I measured from inside of the wood to inside of the wood, but we ended up going with outside to outside. Alright guys, so we got all the pieces cut on the table saw. So we ended up doing only the top and the bottom channels, and mirror is gonna go inside like this. Alright, and then on this side we'll have the other piece. I'm gonna take finish nailer, put it together, put some wood glue, and put all of them together. Now if you have extra hands to help you put these frames together, it'll definitely be a lot easier. If not, we just took it slow and put 2 nails in each corner after we had applied wood glue to each corner. Guys, we have our 3 mirrors here. Now we're gonna get some hinges and put them together so that they can open. They're not the prettiest things, but they will serve their purpose, which is to just be mirrors. Next, we attach the hinges. I picked these up at Home Depot when I picked up mirrors, and they were like $2 for a 2-pack. You only need 2 packs. You'll end up using 4 hinges. And there you have it. This took me about 45 minutes to put together. It was kind of just scrap pieces of wood that I had, picked up the mirrors and the hinges. Alright guys, so originally we were gonna leave the 3-way mirror like this, but I figured let's add some lighting. Picked these up for about $8 on Amazon, plus this was like $5, so like another $15 total. So like $35 total investment. You know, run some lights up the side, up the front, just so for better lighting when you cut your hair, when you're doing your makeup on it. So these are just the stick-on ones, so hopefully they last a while, but we'll see. Let's get these on there.
To help me because I want to do a daily workout routine to lose some weight, and I came across one that says stretches to help you burn calories. That was 12.
Yeah.
Oh my god, they were so painful. The hardest one was the bow. You know what that one is? It's the one where you lay down on your stomach and pull your legs up to this. So it's kind of like a plank, except your arms and... It's like a Superman, except your legs and arms are grabbing each other.
Alright, we got them on. Hopefully they stick on. That glue didn't seem too convincing. I'm gonna plug them in, JJ, and see what we got. Oh, okay. Okay. Trim. Let you guys know how it comes out. Alright guys, thanks for checking out the video. Again, if you liked the video, if you want to see more videos like it, hit that like button, that subscribe button, comment below. All that helps us get out there more. We'll see you guys next week.